Are you a Limelight Frolic owner that's been searching for a good carry case that won't cost you a lot of money? If you meet the prerequisite of 3D printer plus Frolic owner, then this might be the perfect solution for you. I have designed two versions of my new 3D printed Frolic case. The first one is meant for just the device itself, and the second design holds the optional horizontal mouthpiece and a spare battery. These will both be available on printables.com. The regular version will be priced at $5 USD, and the upgraded version will be priced at $10 USD.